with this. I just can't talk today. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Hannah, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing my first ever plan with me video, and it's of course for August. I'm just so freaking excited for this because I just love doing bullet journaling. I don't know, just decorating some planners. So yes, I have this notebook. It says summer on it. I'm gonna have it for this summer and then for next year and another year until it's full. So yes, of course, if you wanna see my August setup, just keep watching and let's get started. So let's do it. Let's do my first plan with me video. I am so excited. So we will of course start with the first page where I'm just writing August, and then I decided for kind of like, you know, seaside or maybe underwater theme or just summer theme, and then I'm just drawing some fish, coloring them, and lastly just adding some bubbles, and that's actually all for the first page, and I actually really love it. So let's move on to the next page, which is monthly spread, where I'm first going to write August and then make the calendar. On the right side, I'm just going to make kind of like signs signs for important days like birthday, vacation, trip, celebration, summer job, and I don't know, event or concert. And I'm just going to decorate this page with some quotes and some other decorations. And of course, let's move on to the next page. Here I'm going to make a mood tracker. I really love mood trackers. I'm just drawing like two circles and then dividing them in 31 parts. And then I will have 5 colors to match each mood, like happy or sad, I don't know, whatever. And then on the right side, on the right page, I'm going to do things to do before summer ends. I don't know, I just think it's inspiring. And then after that, I'm just going to write some things that I want to do before summer ends. And this is how these two pages look right now. But then I'm also going to write a quote, smile more, inside of the mood tracker, just to spice it up a little bit. And then on the right page, I'm just drawing some fish for decoration. Yes, and then we will move on to the next page where I'm just going to do my most played 20 top 20 most played music in August, and on the right page I'm going to make a list of books and movies I've read and watched. And then here is the weekly spread. First, I'm writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then, oh my freaking god, I've said this like literally the 5th time in this video. I just need to stop talking and then just watch what I'm doing because it's too fast for me to explain. So enjoy! So that's it, guys. We've made our first bullet journal setup. This is the first page and I think it's so bright. I just love the theme, the sea underwater theme so much, and I also really enjoyed filming this video, and I also hope that you also enjoyed watching this video. So that's it, we did it and I love it so much. So that's actually all for today's video. I'm actually really happy with how my bullet journal setup turned out. I know I'm not a pro, but I'm just learning and I wanna learn calligraphy someday. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, DIY videos, bullet journaling, plan with me videos, and just some other whatever comes to my mind, please subscribe. So that's actually all for today's video. I hope we'll see in the next video. Bye. It's hot in here and I just can't talk. I just can't talk today. I just can't talk. I just can't talk. Oh my god. So I have to go to the toilet.
That was a bullshit.